Hi, and welcome back to the Unmeasured Chef.
We're back.
We are back. All right, so today we're going to do something that the kids always love to get when we go to get Indian food. What is it, guys?
Butter chicken.
They love it so much, I'm like, why not teach them how to make it at home? So today we're going to make buttered chicken. And then I'm also going to make shrimp chicken buttered. No. Shrimp buttered shrimp. There you go. Because I don't eat chicken. All right, y'all ready?
Yes.
Ready, set, let's go. Started. All right, so first we're going to start off with our chicken. So we have chicken thighs, and what we're going to do is just cut them into cubes.
So good.
Yes. You don't want them too small, but you don't want them too big either.
They can be medium.
Yes, they can be medium.
Some people have a type of meat like this. It's not the same meat.
What do you mean?
Like it's not the meat that you're using.
This is chicken.
Like the chicken that you're using, it's not the same. It's like different consistency.
So chicken thighs is dark meat. Chicken breast is white meat. So the consistency is different with chicken breast versus chicken thighs.
Okay.
All right, now that the chicken is all cut up into cubes, we can put in, we usually put in garlic paste. So what I did was I roasted some garlic on the stove, and I'm gonna have Eileen crush it into a paste, and then we're gonna put it in to the chicken. Meanwhile, Edmund has ginger paste, and we're just gonna squeeze that in the chicken as well. Squeeze it in there.
So we squeeze it out?
Yeah, no, when I tell you stop. That's good. That's good. Okay, let's put a little bit in the shrimp. We're going to season both at the same time while we're at it. Okay, that's enough.
That's what I bought.
Jacqueline has red pepper, chili powder is what Jacqueline has. So she's going to pour that into the chicken.
And there?
Just pour it in the chicken first. That's enough for the chicken. Continue.
Okay.
Good job, Jack. And then what you can do is you can sprinkle some into the shrimp.
I don't think I'm good at that.
Hey, sure you are. Look at you. Look at you. Keep sprinkling.
It's not really coming out.
Let's see. Okay, this one you have to sprinkle. Okay, don't dump it. Don't dump it. Okay, that's good. Good one.
I do not want it to be spicy, so I'm trying not.
That one's mine, so it's fine. Okay, that's good. Alright, then of course we have to put some garlic.
Yeah.
On top of the regular garlic. We're gonna have to put a little extra garlic in here.
Just for the greatness.
Alright, that's beautiful. So this is the paste consistency. And we're going to scoop some in to the chicken.
Okay.
Smells.
And then scoop into the chicken.
We want this
Then
to
we're going
taste
to
really
put some
good.
salt. And now we're going to give it a good mix. You want to use your spoon here? Yes. And I'm going to mix the shrimp. And what we want to do is try to make sure that everything gets flavor on it. And then we're going to let this marinate for about 15 minutes. All right, so now while we're waiting for the chicken and the shrimp to marinate, we're going to cut up our red onion and our tomatoes and get ready to make our sauce. Eileen is making another paste because we need more garlic paste to put in the sauce. we're going to cut up the tomatoes. Now it's up to you how many tomatoes you use. If you want a big batch, little batch, have a whole family of 5, that's probably going to want this today and tomorrow. So I just made
2 batches.
a lot of tomatoes.
Nice.
All right, now that the onions are chopped and the tomatoes are chopped, now it's time to heat up the oil. And I'm going to heat up a pan with olive oil and saute the onions first with butter. All right, we're pouring in the olive oil. And we're going to let that get hot. I'm going to put in the onions. About 3 tablespoons of butter. All right, we're going to try to sweat out these onions a bit. And they start getting a little bit soft. That's when you want to throw in your tomatoes. And we're going to saute this for a moment, stir it all up. And I've got it on medium heat, just to cook a bit, soften up. I'm also going to add some cashews now. Now I got roasted, salted cashews. It's up to you if you want to just get unsalted cashews, raw cashews. And we're just going to let this soften up about 15 minutes. All right, as you can see, it's starting to bubble. So I'm going to add a little bit of water. And continue to let it cook. All right, now it's time to season it up. I'm going to add some more of the garlic paste. Again, garlic that I roasted and mashed up. I mean, literally, it's right here. Olive oil on the stove, hour and a half. I'm going to use that oil for something else later, and I can always use the garlic for something. Spread over toast or anything. I'm going to add some more of the ginger paste. Chili powder. Now, if you don't want it too spicy, you can always add smoked paprika or regular paprika instead, if you don't want it to have too much spice. Garlic, of course. This is white vinegar. Garam Marsala. And so I don't know if I'm saying this right. So it's Methi. I'm just going to take a little bit out of here, sprinkle it. I'm going to stir. The last thing I'm going to put in before I let it simmer is some sugar. Turn it down a little bit. Let it cook. All right, now we're going to take some olive oil and fry up the chicken. So usually what you'll do is fry the chicken and then use the same pan to make the sauce, but since I'm doing a shrimp and a chicken one, I'm doing them separate. So you see the chicken is nice and golden brown. You're going to take it out. I switched pots because I realized I had a lot more chicken and I need a bigger pot. So all right, and while the chicken frying up, we're gonna do the same thing for the shrimp. All right, so now I'm going to put our sauce into the blender. And we're going to puree it. All right, so now we're going to take the puree and we're going to strain it. When you finish, all you have is paste. All right, we're going to do the same thing for the chicken one. And you do this just because you want it to be smooth. All right, now we're going to add the chicken back in. And the shrimp. Alright, we're going to add some more butter in. It's butter chicken after all, and butter shrimp. And this is the time that you add the cream. Show me stir it up. I'm gonna let this cook for about 5 to 10 minutes and it should be ready to go. And the last thing you put in is some more meta. Give it its final stir. All right, and there you have it. Buttered chicken and buttered shrimp. And as we say, why use a book when you can cook unmeasured, that is. Until next time, bye-bye.
Bye.
Okay.